Hi guys, this is Tiana. I decided to do Instagram for my video tour project. Um, so this is just my Instagram. You can scroll, really on Instagram it can be personal and business because you can follow personal wise, you can follow people that you look up to and people that you follow that are famous. Like let's say for example, Jeffree Star. Great makeup artist, follows them on YouTube, you can follow and all that jazz. Also, I really just follow things that I think are funny or that I like, people that I keep up with, let's say Vanessa Hudgens or, you know, stuff like that. But this is just my main page. And then if you go right over here, you have your home, and then you have your explore, and then you have stuff that you liked, and then you have your page. So when you go to explore, really just anything pops up. This is people that you could follow. And then this is just stuff that you've either similar things that you've liked or things that Instagram thinks that you'll like. So I really just spend some of my time on the explore page because you can really find a lot, your favorite artist or just things that are, you know, things that are funny or whatever. And then if you just click on my page, obviously I have my page public, but I have my name here, and then I just have some little emojis that I feel like describe me. And then I just have this because I'm a Taurus and I'm really big into zodiac. And then these are, all the pictures that I've posted that are public. I have my page on public. With that, it can kind of get difficult because if you have your page on public, anyone can search up your name and see what you've been able to do. Um, then you can go to your tagged photos and, photos that you've been tagged in or whatever the case may be. And then right here, I just have like highlights of stuff that I think is cool. Here, I just have for my favorite artist that passed away, and then I just have two things based on the year. So that'd be more the personal side, and then, you can like photos, unlike Instagram or, I mean, Instagram. Unlike Facebook, with Facebook you have multiple different options to like it or laugh or angry react or all that, but on Facebook you just like it. On Instagram you just like it is what I mean. And then right here you just have stories and you can watch, people post just kind of like Snapchat or Facebook or any of those things. It seems like all social media apps nowadays have like a story option, but you could just click on that person's story and watch it. It looks a little different because I'm not on a cell phone and I'm doing it, but you can do it that way. So I really think that'd be the personal side, but a business side, you could really type in any business, but let's just say for the purpose of this, I'll type in Liberty's, a local restaurant here in Red Wing. You can click on it, and I'm following them, and you can see that they post funny things. They post, they make TikToks and stuff like that. But on here, you'd be able to call, you'd be able to see their menu, you could message them with questions. I know a lot of businesses use Instagram as a social media platform to put their business out there. As you can see here, we have like local Red Wing teachers holding some Liberty's Pizza and just a whole bunch of different things to promote their business and have people wanting to order their food. I think that companies that use social media have better chances of reaching out with people, especially during this time with COVID-19 and everything going on, because they can show people, they're offering delivery or carry out or whatever. And I think it's a cool way to bring people together when you add a business aspect to social media. And yeah, really, Instagram is pretty easy to use, I feel, especially if you have it on a phone. Just follow things that you like. You can see suggestions, all that. But then again, I'll just go back to my page. This is what I posted on my story, just something about zodiac signs, because Like I said, I'm into that. I think it's funny. Yeah, and then you can see your followers, you can see people that you're following. This is just some people, that I follow, and I just follow based off of interest or knowing the people, or, you can follow your favorite artist, you can follow really anybody. Like I said, I brought up Jeffree Star earlier, but let's just say like Beyonce, someone that's big. Look, she has this many followers, but she's following 0 people, but she has 144 million followers. Just keeping up with your favorite celebrities is kind of a cool way, I feel, to keep in contact and, maybe not feel so alone or whatever. I also know that, Instagram, they really, no, I'm just typing in random things. Instagram's a really good way for people to reach out to one another because you can do live videos, just like Facebook or whatever, you can do that. But I hope that my video tour was easy to understand, and I hope that everyone was able to understand it. If you want to give my page a follow or just keep tabs, I just post things that I, think are cool or whatever. But, alright, thanks guys, enjoy.